name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you why you may not be seeing characters while you're typing in Microsoft Excel. So I've got Excel up, and I'm going to select a cell and just start typing. And you can see that the cursor here is moving, but I don't see any text. If I drag back through it, there's obviously something there, but you can't see what it is. And this is because the font color has been set to white. And this is easy to do accidentally if you're trying to create some custom highlighting and things like that. It's easy to accidentally set something to white, and in an empty cell you wouldn't know unless you started to try to type in it. So first thing to do, make sure Excel has the focus in the program. That means you click on the title, make sure that it turns that darker color so that Windows is telling you you're working inside of Excel. Make sure that the cell that you're working in is selected, and come up to the font color, and we're going to select automatic. And there you go, our text comes back for us. A quick way to do this is if you select, so now I'm going to type in this cell, and the same problem. So a quick way to fix the entire sheet is to select the entire sheet button in the upper left, and we're going to set everything to the default color. And there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video on why your characters may not be displaying while you type in Microsoft Excel. I'm Josiah Ray.